San Stars ko pag nabantan na rin. I'm also a PMPC member. Yeah, congratulations, you're a PMPC winner last time, right? So, Maki, congratulations dito sa Maki Bughaw Hour. Please tell us something about this music video, how it started, and how was the feeling of doing directing at the same time you're an actor there?
Ang ganda po ng question kasi I try to always challenge myself whenever I venture sa mga bagong bagay or bagong songs actually na ginagawa ko po ay nag-release. So, ito po kasi nung Dilaw, nag-direct din po ako doon pero mas nag-acting po ako doon. But dito kasi po, while acting actually, nagde-direct ako. So kung may makikita ko yung behind the scenes, habang, yung habang nag-acting ako, may lines ako, Kyler, ano mo to? Ano Alex, ganun yung ginagawa namin. So it was really a challenge for me, but it's something that I really, really love to do. So, I think baka magkaroon pa ng mga music videos. Sana po i-hire niyo akong director. Hindi, pero I really love and enjoyed. And of course, sila Alexi, si Kyler, si Zeke, napakadaling katrabaho. So, sobrang good vibes po kami talaga. And I would love to direct more of my music videos.
Aside sa singing ba, pangarap mong maging director din talaga?
Ay, opo. Actually, graduate po ako ng pop arts. And I really love directing, I really love production. So this is something na pasok na rin po sa rin ng career ko. Sabi ko nga po one time na kung hindi man po ako naging singer, siguro nandito pa rin po ako. Baka katabi niyo po ako ngayon nakaganon. Ayun po.
Yeah, for Alexis naman and kay Kyler.
Alexi.
Ay, Alexi pala and Kyler. Kamusta bilang director si Maki dito sa music video?
So ayun super fun po niya, tsaka lahat po ng details tinuturo niya po sa amin. Tapos so far gets naman po kami agad ng mga tinuturo niya po.
Alexi.
And sobrang parang nakakadala din sa vibe. Pag may scene ganito, ganun, tapos narinig mo sa side si Kuya Maki, oh, more, tama kayo, ha ha ha, gaganon din siya. So mas nakakaano din sa scenes. And it's very nakaka-wow panoorin si Kuya Maki mag-direct din. Kasi syempre siya na may singer, tapos nagde-direct din siya. So it was amazing. Galing na po.
Last na lang for Maki. Maki, we know that ikaw yung sa mga singer ngayon na talagang very successful, di ba? With your song, with your genre. Pero if you have a choice, what is the song of your life and career right now?
Ano po? Sorry.
What is the song of your...
Song? Siguro po Simple by Joe. It's a song about reminiscing when life was simple. So ako po kasi as much as it's overwhelming yung mga nangyayari po ngayon, I really love to try to have my own time realizing everything that's happening, and sometimes it gets too much, so I try to keep it simple every time. Like merong mga events na ganito po, for example, mga ganyan, nakikipagkulitan pa po ako kasi ayoko pong masyadong nagiging serious sa mga bagay-bagay kasi, life is too short to be super serious. So, I'm just taking it all in, but at the same time, I'm not giving myself the pressure, kumbaga, ng mga nangyayari ngayon. It's just that I need to go back sa kung ano yung reason kung ba't ako nag-start. And it's because I love music and I just enjoy it so much. So ayoko pang dumating yung time na mag-reminisce na lang ako sa good old days kasi dapat, now is the time to enjoy and to be happy. Ayun po.
Thank you. Last na lang, Maki, kasi you're a director. For sure, magaling ka rin actor. Nakita naman namin dito. Are you planning to try acting also, if given a chance? And then kung itatry mo nga, sino yung gusto mong makaparehang mga kapamilya actor or actress you want to work with soon?
Right now kasi I would love to focus on music, but if ever given a chance po or opportunity na makapag-acting, I think I would go with indie films, such as the films that they produce in UP. Kasi doon mas nandun yung edge ko po, or nandun yung feeling ko yung mas audience ko, kasi I'm not the type of actor na pag sinabihan ng ganito kaya agad. Kumbaga, I love to take my time and to realize or internalize even the script, the plot, the overall story. If that's my principle, that's my moral. Yun kung nare-reflect nito yung morals ko sa life, I would go for it without TF or anything. If ano kasi ako, maano po akong artist. Kumbaga, I love to be a voice of the voiceless. Yung mga ganun pong films kasi I love watching indie films na nakakapagbigay ng empowerment to certain communities like LGBTQIA+, and of course, women's rights, at kung ano-ano pa pong mga bagay na pwedeng i-tackle. So yeah, indie films, kung gusto niyo po ako ulit, go lang po.
Any actor or actress you want to work with?
Makasama? Ooh. Alam niyo po, Sharon Cuneta. Sharon Cuneta, Miss Vilma Santos, Ann Curtis. Mali mo yung plot kakaiba. May mga ganun po. Sino pa ba? Yung mga veteran po, kasi po I love learning new things. And siguro po kung mag-acting ako for the first time, ng debut ko talaga, I would love to learn sa mga tao po nakakaalam kung ano yung industriya na to. Ayun po.
Thank you, Maki. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay. O diba, Direct Maki na po ang tawag natin sa kanya.
Uy.
Yung next na ide-direct niya concert na niya.
Ay,
Charot.
hirap naman nun.
No. Maki next song.
Okay, cute.
Ganun. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Next question. Who would like to go next? Yes, po, miss. Let's have
Hannah Mallorca of Equine Stanley.
Yes, there you go.
So, hi Maki, Alexi, and Kyler. Congratulations sa inyo. So, Alexi and Kyler, alam ko hindi nyo totoo first music video. Si Kyler, alam ko nagpunta na rin before in the music video. Kamusta yung feeling of this one, knowing na tungkol sa friendship siya?
Para sa akin, siguro, hindi na ako masyadong nahirapan po. Kasi, since na may background, like, parang po, na nagawa ko na po siya na before. Kaya, second time ko na po, talagang, ganado.
Actually, add ko lang po doon, si Kyler, ano siya, ever since nandun na siya, pag-acting na, pag-role na kami, as in, focus na siya. He is very work-driven. And I saw that in him na parang, grabe yung batang to. Pag, ay makabata, masyadong dama kasi. 22 ka ba? 22 din ako. Hindi, pero ano po siya, sobrang work mode agad. Kumbaga, he knows when to make kulit, tapos he knows when to work. So yeah, that's a thing I really like about him. Kasi work ethics talaga, it really matters. Ayun.
For me po, since it is my first time to be in another artist's MV, sobrang, syempre na-pressure po ako kasi si Kuya Maki was like, oh my gosh, real! Oh my gosh, is this real? Pero, being with them, being with the cast and working with Kuya Maki and his team, sobrang ang gaan niya po sa akin and ang grabe po nila mag-guide and ang good vibes, kaya parang parang nawala yung pressure nila. And then, syempre parang nung pinitch pa nila, when they explained to us yung story niya, yung message niya, and it was about friendship, mas lalong dumali yung parang yung process and yung job niya. Kasi I feel very connected to friendship and one of my big support systems siya. So, I love that song. Thank you, Maki.
Can you share any memorable moments while filming? Yeah, kahit sa'yo.
Kung may naalala ka pa bro?
Siguro yung po, naglaro po kami sa mga, dun sa sa, Dalampasigan ba yun? Sa beach po, dun po, nagharot-harutan po kami, dun nag-usik-usik na ng tubig.
Para po kami nag-outing ng gano'n. Which reflects talaga, di ba?
Same din, yung water, syempre. But there was another one, nung scene na parang nasa tricycle kami, gano'n. So nag-walk kami sa road. Tapos may mga mga butterflies, tapos naglaland talaga sila sa amin, sa whole team. Tapos parang, wow, ang brave ng mga butterflies, di sila takot sa taon. Mas nakaka-good vibes, like, wow, bakit? Ayan.
Ayun po.
So, last na lang for me, Maki. So, di ba syempre, huli mong songs is Dilaw and then Namumula, it's about love. Why did you choose to focus on friendship sa Bughaw?
Okay. So, as you can see, the concept of the music video is about friendship, but also it talks a lot about being there for another person. And that's a love that everyone needs. And I think yung Dilaw, it talked about self-love, which is yung kay Maloy sa last part na she learned how to love herself. And sa Namumula naman, it talks about a super passionate love na sobra-sobra to the point na masasagasaan ka, na mabibilayan ka, masusugatan ka. And this one, it talks a lot about a different kind of love where siguro mas nandun sa point na hindi lang platonic eh. I think it talks a lot about yung love na nakukuha natin from people na alam natin na magsistay forever. And I think it speaks a lot about blue, the Bughaw color. Kasi alam niyo yung feeling na kahit mag-college na kayo, school friends mo, mag-work na kayo, you still look at the same sky, the same blue sky. And whenever you gather, whenever you see each other again, it's still the same. So, para sa akin, ganun po yung parang feeling na gusto ko po i-incorporate or gusto namin i-incorporate yung message po ng mismong song and ng mismong music video. And there is a lot to unpack actually sa music video na yan that I really don't like to tell in detail kasi I want people to interpret kung ano yung nakikita nila from that music video na sana good thing. Kumbaga matouch yung heart nila in a different way as Dilaw and Namumula.
Thank you sa inyong tatlong. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Ms. Hannah. Okay. Yes, to help me out with our question and answer, we have here, yes, sir, to help me out as well.
Thank you, Ayana. Our next question will come from Jenna De Vera of Manila Concert Junkies.
Hello. First of all, congratulations for the music video.
Thank you.
Sobrang ganda niya. I can feel like people are gonna make wallpapers out of it. Dedicated to their friend
we
group.
love wallpapers.
Yes. First question lang, anyone can answer. So, how did this casting come about? Like, what was the process of like having this very youthful, very young cast members in the music video?
I think ako lang ito magsasagot nito. Okay. So, ako talaga po, I really love making stories out of people na alam kung kaya nilang gawin yun. And based on their appearance also and their vibe, na as a person talaga, not only in social media, but as a person, na alam kong may incorporate nila yung characters na ginawa namin for them. So, I picked them, ex-member ng YGIG, Alexi, and also si Kyler from Horizon, and then si Zeke Abella. Actually, kami ni Zeke, we're really good friends, but we never met each other as friends talaga. So, naging close kami sa social media. And ako po, personally, nakita ko agad kay Zeke na he's the kind of friend na gusto kong ma-represent sa music video ng Bughaw. Since we all have that friend na laging funny, you know. Siya yung laging masaya, but at the end of the day, meron siyang sariling, he has his own fair share moments of sadness. And I would love to talk more about people who is challenged of having these kind of thoughts within themselves, like depression, for example. Kasi a lot of people na we see sometimes na very happy, or yung mga kaibigan natin na sobrang saya minsan, hindi natin alam, may something sa bahay. So, each of the characters here actually represents their own characters, their own unique characters na makikita nyo as you watch the music video. Kumbaga, pagpapanoorin nyo po yung music video, hindi nyo po siya agad makikita kung sino-sino sila. So you need to rewatch and rewatch it. Marketing. But you need to rewatch it and rewatch it for you in order to, like for example, sa first watch mo, titignan mo muna si Zeke. Tapos sa pangalawa naman, ganun, ayun po. But I'm really glad kasi kung sino po ang first choice ko na mga tao na makuha is sila rin po yung nakasama ko. So I'm just really happy na nakasama ko si Kyler, si Alexi, and si Zeke. Zeke, kung nasan ka man ngayon, sana masaya ka. Ayun po.
Yes. Second question for everyone naman. What's the moment in life na felt most bughaw to you?
Miss you. Go ahead.
For me po, it would be when I was in high school. Because as I said kanina, friendship means a lot to me. And kahit na pag naririnig ko yung song ni Kuya Maki, yung moments na yun yung naalala ko. And it's just like when life back then in our youth was so simple. Yung isip natin that time parang, ang laki ng problema. Pero now it's like, oh, I want to go back to those moments na parang, oh, enjoy lang kayo with your friends, you're sharing your problems, there's no judgment, there's no pressures from the outside. Kayo-kayo lang in your own circle. And so bughaw, yun po.
Sa akin naman is siguro yung mga panahong bata pa ako. Kasi yun nga, katulad nga kung sabi ni Alexis, walang iniisip na problema. Ayun, masaya ka lang naglalaro. Tsaka nag-enjoy ka sa mga bawat ginagawa mo.
Okay na po.
Right, thank you, Sir Jello. Okay, next up we have John Roger, Marquisa of the Queen Darla.
Hi everyone.
Hello po. Hello po.
Actually, natunan na yung questions ko. But siguro other question na lang. I was curious kasi yung necklace, actually I have mine, plays an integral role sa music video, especially sa cover song.
Yes.
Can you share more? What's the representation?
Okay. I love that question. Di ba inabusan ka po nila, pero mas maganda yung charot. Diyan ka lang. Pero actually ito, very particular ako with the elements we put sa music video since it creates personality, it creates a story within a story. So, ito pong trinket na to, it reminded me of bukod sa anik-anik to talaga kasi I really love anik-anik. But it's a craft made with different pieces of each people na gumawa nito. Actually, ito malaking representation siya of giving a piece of yourself to your friends. Kasi lahat tayo ganun. And it may not be a tangible thing. It may be not a thing that we can see, pero ako gusto ko pong makita sa bughaw yung ganitong trinkets. Actually, meron kami, ito yung kay Alexi Butterfly. Yung kay Kyler nandyan sa lolo. Hindi natin sabihin ko saan napunta. Basta, ayun. So, it represents giving things, each part of yourselves to people you love. And ito, makikita nyo kung saan kanino nang galing itong yung soda, takip ng soda. Ano tawag sa ganito? Tansan? Di ba po yun yung bilog? Soda na tansan na dalawa yung bilog. Ayun na lang tawag natin. Tapos ito po yan, mga yan, makikita nyo po kung kanino galing to, kung kanino ito. And kumbaga ano siya, a memoir. A thing that reminds us that let's not forget about the people who's been there and who is still here. No matter what life gives you, no matter what magkajowa man kayo, huwag niyo pa kalimutan mga kaibigan ninyo, di ba? So, ayun po yung pinaka-representation niya. It's also a reminder that may times sa buhay natin na feeling natin wala nang nandyan for you. At least ngayon may nakikita ka, binahawakan ka. You're reminded of these people na nandyan para sa'yo. Ayan.